Well, we ready to do this?
Yeah.
Maybe? Possibly?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I feel like this hasn't been that long to do. I mean, to kind of let's catch everybody up on the channel. So, September Jake's race. We both went out there on a Friday night.
Oh, this is last year.
September. Right. Flat tire, beadlock ring, I don't know. Man, Billet Specialties, I guess, I don't know if the tire changed for Mickey Thompson, but basically the ring wasn't thick enough, and we battled that. Actually, we battled that at the time before we took it to the track.
Right, we just didn't know what it was.
We didn't know what it was. We thought, well, maybe I just need to go back and retorque them, so took them off. Anyway, go out there, same thing, and that's just we just didn't want to mess with it because you could be in the staging lanes forever, and you know, flat tires, wrecking the car. I didn't want to do that. So we decided that flat tire, we left it doing the, you know, hoopty lean, and we ended up going out there watching you. Then Saturday, we left the four-wheeler, the trailer. We were going to cook out, support Sunshine, and 5 miles from the track, valve spring brakes on the truck, drops a valve, hits a piston, throws a rod out.
Yeah.
On Saturday.
Yeah, that was on that vehicle, so
Yeah.
blew that motor up.
And then on the way to work on Monday morning, I hit a deer.
Yeah.
And so I had my truck out, the car out, the trailer, and the four-wheeler were at Mike's house.
This car was down.
This car was down.
Still down.
Still down.
But history on this one is new motor. Well, new motor, I guess we would say.
Yeah.
New and improved and properly done motor by none other than those guys. We're not going to bash the other people who did it because we don't do that, but you can go back in the channel and see some other valve covers on there, and you can go from there. Make your own opinion. Like I said, we're not going to bash anybody. Things happen, but things happen that shouldn't have happened.
I do want to say this is, you know, guys, a lot of times you pay a lot of money for things, and parts don't get put on your stuff, you know, like you're supposed to.
Mildly put that way, yeah.
Yeah, and that's a pretty mild thing to do, and you know, whether it's whether it's on a mistake or not on a mistake, I don't think so. I'm just saying, you know, stay in touch, and you know, pick your people that are close that's going to stay with you and stick in your corner. And I'll leave it at that. We're excited. You know, let's be frank, the car's never performed like what we thought it should have been from day one.
Right, and we found out reason why it hasn't done that.
Yeah, and so you know, now we're looking forward to it, getting it back in the car, getting it dynoed, and taking it to the track, and hopefully it runs like it's been advertised to do.
So that's our plan for today, guys. We're gonna get the motor put back in the car. We won't be starting this video because we actually want to get it in here, then take it out to Josh and them, do a dyno run with it, get everything tuned in, dialed in, all that type of stuff, and then go to the track with it. But it's been a long time coming. We've been waiting on parts like everybody else across the world. I mean,
we've been waiting 2 weeks because UPS failed, and you know.
Yeah, just stupid little parts. Stupid little parts. But we've got everything here, everything to go together. Engine bay is all ready to go. Should be a quick little put in and stab. Shouldn't have any issues, but you know how we go. We don't do anything without any issues. But
hey, we did upgrade. Look at that.
That's true.
We had to put a new cylinder on the.
Yeah, everything broke on us. Our engine's fan. So wintertime, we've been repairing everything but our actual cars because everything else is breaking.
We have air operated now, so yeah.
This should make it easy. First snag. Never fails. Go to put it in, we got the motor backwards. And it won't actually spin, so we got to set it back down and, turn it around. You expect things to go easy.
After all the times we do this, we would actually have the right engine hoist, you know, the cranker, and the whole thing works really well.
I mean, we
did upgrade to the...
We've had 3 months to figure this out, and we still put it on backwards. It says a lot about our program. Take two, guys. We forgot to put the motor mounts on. We're doing good so far. We're what, 6 minutes into this, and we've left the motor mounts off. We've had the motor on backwards. I don't think we forgot anything else. Everything seems to be going in the hole okay. All right, we'll get these put on, lower back in, hopefully for the last time. We want to double check before we put it down, or we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, motor mounts are on now. We think we got everything out of the way and everything we need to actually go in. Look at them porch down in there. Look at that. All freshly done. See, I don't even have fancy writing on my head. It's very disappointed. Very disappointed, guys.
Well,
I don't have a nice
you
pitching.
went with the right people to start your motor
Well,
off with.
that's true.
So, you know,
That's
you
true.
don't have to redo. You started off with number uno instead of,
You know.
you know. You know, we went from ouch.
Yeah, it hurt.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
I gotta do the fuel. Yeah.
Well, at least it's sitting in there after 4 months. I put the wrench right over there on the corner.
Okay, while you are here, we'll do this. Starter in? No.
Okay, so you want to take the valve pan off, get that in there first at the intake, or you want to
Yeah.
get all the steam vent stuff? Because all your crap's hard to get to, isn't it? All right, guys, we can start plugging away, start putting the top end on this thing. Don't know if we'll get the headers or not, but kind of goes together like a puzzle. We've done this a few times. We know a thing or two because we've seen a thing or two. All right, motor's in the car. At least as far as we're gonna get today. He's still gotta get the injectors sent out and cleaned up, ran through. But we're gonna get to see a shiny new, properly labeled valve covers now. They may ask for these back.
No, they don't ask for them back.
I get stickers for my valve covers. There we go.
Look at that. Yeah.
So much better.
Yeah. I can already tell it makes more horsepower.
It does.
I already know right now that it's got the right lifters in it. Just saying.
Yeah, just saying.
You get all yours
I
off?
have to use block in it.
All right, guys. Motor's in. Like I said, we gotta wait for injectors to get back. He's got a couple other things he wants to go through. I mean, otherwise, just button up the little things, putting headers on, stuff like that. But next time you see it, we'll have this thing on the dyno. Taking it out there where Josh can tune on it, do a run on it, break everything in. We're not even going to start it. We're just going to load it on the trailer and take it over there. So for right now, guys, that's going to do it for us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one.